When you look up at night and see the moon, it feels familiar, quiet, predictable, but beyond Earth, the solar system is filled with moons, and many of them are unlike anything you've ever imagined. Some rain methane, some hide oceans of liquid water, some erupt with volcanic fury so violent they reshape their entire world in a single day. These aren't science fiction, they're real places, and today we're exploring the strangest moons in the solar system. Let's begin with Titan, Saturn's largest moon, bigger even than the planet Mercury. At first glance, it looks like a hazy orange ball, but beneath those thick clouds is a world that eerily mirrors Earth. Titan has mountains, rivers, and lakes, but instead of water, they're made of liquid methane and ethane. Imagine standing on a shore, watching waves of liquid gas lap against icy rocks under a dim orange sun. And here's the kicker, Titan has a thick atmosphere, the only moon in the solar system that does. Some scientists even believe Titan could one day be a new home for humanity, if we figure out how to survive the freezing temperatures, where the average day is minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's move from ice to fire. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanic place in the solar system. Its surface is alive with hundreds of active volcanoes, some so powerful they shoot lava fountains hundreds of miles into space. Io's bizarre colors, yellows, reds, and greens, come from sulfur compounds that ooze across its surface. The constant tug-of-war between Jupiter's gravity and the pull from its neighboring moons literally stretches Io apart, creating tidal heating that fuels its volcanic chaos. If Titan is Earth's frozen twin, Io is its hellish opposite, a world of endless eruption. Europa may seem like just another frozen ball orbiting Jupiter, but beneath its icy crust lies something extraordinary, an ocean. And not just a small sea, scientists believe Europa could contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This hidden ocean may be kept liquid by heat from the moon's rocky core and tidal forces from Jupiter. And where there's liquid water, there's the possibility of life. Some scientists argue that Europa, not Mars, is the most likely place to find alien microbes in our solar system. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission is designed to investigate exactly that. Next, we travel back to Saturn to visit Enceladus, a small icy moon with a big secret. In 2005, NASA's Cassini spacecraft discovered giant geysers shooting water vapor and ice particles into space from Enceladus's south pole. These geysers are so powerful, they actually help create Saturn's E-ring. And what's fueling them? A hidden subsurface ocean, one that could contain the essential ingredients for life. Enceladus is tiny compared to Titan, but it may hold some of the greatest cosmic secrets of all. Farther out, around Neptune, lies Triton, one of the strangest moons of all. Unlike most moons, Triton orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation. That means it was likely captured from deep space, a rogue world pulled in by Neptune's gravity. Triton's surface is scarred with strange frozen plains and geysers that erupt nitrogen gas into space. It's also one of the coldest places in the entire solar system. One day, Neptune's gravity may eventually tear Triton apart, turning it into a spectacular planetary ring. Not all strange moons are massive worlds. Mars has two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, that look more like asteroids than satellites. Phobos, the larger of the two, is slowly spiraling inward toward Mars. In about 50 million years, it may crash into the planet or shatter into a ring of debris. Deimos, on the other hand, sits farther out, calmly circling Mars like a faint shadow. They may be small, but their fates are dramatic. And we can't forget Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Bigger than Mercury, it even has its own magnetic field, something no other moon can claim. This suggests a liquid iron core beneath its surface. Callisto, another of Jupiter's giant moons, may seem quiet, but its ancient cratered surface could hide an underground ocean as well. Even the biggest moons have mysteries. These moons are not just rocks orbiting planets. They're worlds of fire and ice, oceans and storms, chaos and beauty. Each one pushes the limits of what we thought was possible, and each one reminds us that the universe is far stranger than our imagination.